Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling NFC and launching your chosen UPI app. This makes your phone act like a contactless card. Once NFC is on, make sure your app is set as the default payment handler, and that one bank account is linked with a UPI PIN. This is essential because the phone must present secure payment credentials. Without a default app or PIN, the terminal will not accept the transaction. Now tap the Apps tab to Pay option to prepare for initiating the transfer. You now enter the exact amount and choose the NFC or Tap to Pay method inside the UPI app. This prepares the payload sent over near-field communication. Once done, confirm with your UPI PIN so the app can cryptographically sign the request. This step secures the transaction. Move your phone's NFC area close to the merchant terminal, about 1 to 3 centimeters, and hold steady. The terminal and app exchange data, so patience prevents interruption. Finally, watch both the app and you finish by checking the transaction ID and confirmation in the app, and you should save the receipt or screenshot for records. If the payment fails or times out, first toggle NFC off and on, then retry the tap within 30 seconds or fully restart the UPI app. This clears temporary radio or session issues. If a duplicate hold or missing refund appears, contact your bank immediately with the transaction ID. Keep your UPI PIN confidential, never share it, because it is the only key to authorize payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.